All right, the two lessons today are about stem and leaf plots. And the big thing, I think you'll be fine with the numbers. The big question is, do you know how the stem and leaf plot works? So here is the problems per test. It says the stem is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The leaves, has a bunch of random numbers. So the first thing is, do you know what those numbers mean? The number 42 is on here. So if that is confusing, you should definitely listen to the rest of this. All right, so I have a 0 and a 9. That is going to equal 9 because 0 in front of a 9 is just 9. This is a 1 and a 1, which is going to be 11, and there's a 1 with a 9, which means 19. So far, we have the numbers 9, 11, and 19. Here I'd have the number 21 and 25. 21, 25. Here I have 37. Here I have 42. I told you there was a 42 and a 48. So this is the first number. This is the second one. Sometimes we do this because here there's a bunch of 50s, and instead of writing 50, 50, 51, 56, 58, you can just say, well, here's a bunch of 50s, and it's a 00168. I know those 5 numbers. So the question said, how many tests had at least 0 problems, but fewer than 50? So we're not going to count these because those are bigger than 50, and there's nothing that's smaller than 0. So at this point, I can just count up. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my answer would be there are 8 tests that have at least 0 problems, but fewer than 50. So the first lesson today, you are understanding how the numbers work. The second lesson, you are going to be writing down, creating your own stem and leaf plots and answering some questions based on that data. I think you'll do fine. If you got questions, I'm around to help out. Have a great day. Thanks.